Hi, I'm Graham and I'm a volunteer with Garden Organic, and today I'm going to talk to you about wormeries. A lot of people ask what a wormery is. Well, basically it is a place where you keep worms to create compost for your garden, and the nature of the compost is a lot richer, very rich. There are about 250 varieties of worms in this country, and there's only a small amount that you can actually use in this facility. And they are tiger worms, red worms, brandlings. They're not your normal garden worms. Just put those in there, put some bedding, similar to shredded paper like this, and then on top of that you can start putting in your food waste. Most things you can use, obviously not bones, not fish. They will attract flies, which will get in every time you open this up. After a few weeks, I would suggest that you tap off, using the tap at the bottom, a liquid, and that is worm tea. You can use those on your plants, but don't use it neat. It's far too strong. Dilute it down 10-20 to 1 with water, and then use it as a liquid feed on your plants. After maybe 6 months, you should be in a position where you've got enough compost to extract. Now, if you want further information, then I would suggest that you go online to Garden Organic, where you'll find all the information on how to set up a wormery, how to make wormeries DIY as well, all the information you need to get yourself up and running.